Great!
Something really hard for me to do. I can be
Ew.
my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up high. Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out.
Yeah! Fantastic!
Don't worry, we will find your tail.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi all! I know how much you like our paper doll videos, so it is time to get up, girlfriend! Our sleepover party is over. It is time for morning beauty routine. Oh! Just look at all those pimples! And your skin is kind of dry. Well, don't worry. I've mastered the stages of the morning transformation. And the first step is to cleanse the skin with micellar water. We'll apply some of it on the skin of our beauty. And also soak a couple of cotton pads in it, like this. Now let's get rid of your pimples the good old way. What? Oh, no, no! I promise you won't even feel a thing. Just a little more and your skin will shine with cleanliness and health. And like this. Oh, your eyebrows are bushy now. But it's okay. We will fix everything when we're done with the skincare part. Let's wash off all the excess. Here comes more soap foam. Oh, I just love all these beauty treatments. Give us a thumbs up if you agree. I'm really glad that you like it, dear. Now close your eyes. Well, it looks like it's all washed away. Oh, no. It's not the time for the towel just yet. We need a scrub. Not this. Also no. Ah, that's what I was looking for. Only natural ingredients. Come on. Smells great. We need to apply the product with smooth movements and distribute it all over the face. It smells so good that you even got hungry, right? Here, this is for you. No one can do without a healthy smoothie during our beauty routine. Oh, so we're moving on. Let's wash it off. Not with this, no. Let's take a shower and… Okay, Sue, pull yourself together. We'll take a shower. Yes, finally! Now we need a soft towel. We'll dry your skin with smooth movements only. Like this. Oh, I wet my hands as well. That's it. Great! So let's move on to the eyebrows. You gotta do it only along the direction of hair growth. The eyebrow shape is very important for every face. Remember this and don't overdo it. Whew, that wasn't easy, but we did it. High five! And now my favorite beauty ritual, a cloth face mask. I'm gonna gently spread it all over your face like this. And then we'll wait for 10 minutes. Hey, you know what? I'm going to apply this mask too. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is what I call relaxation. Friends, a short break and we'll be back. All right, I took off my mask. Let me help you now, girlfriend. Huh? What? Did you like it? Even your eyes sparkle now. But we will give them even more brightness. Don't be afraid. I'm a master at this. So, do you feel okay? That's great. Look, your lips are a little chapped. A special scrub will help here. First, we'll apply a little bit of it, like this. And now, with the help of a special brush, we'll clean your lips. Let's wash everything off. Okay, we are done with the skincare routine. Let's move on to makeup. And the step number 1 is to prepare your skin. We will just apply a little bit of this and distribute it all over your face. This will be the base for the makeup. Step number 2, foundation. I have a mattifying face cream here. It is very gentle. A little bit more on your chin. Uh-huh. I think that's enough. Now we're gonna give your whole face an even shade. By the way, it is very important to choose the right tone. I remember once I got sunburnt on the beach and did not take this into account when in the evening I was getting ready for a party. Oh, my face became a tone darker and the foundation looked as dumb as possible. Okay, enough laughing at me. We still have a lot of work to do. Now we will properly style your eyebrows hair by hair. And from this side, like this. Great! Well, let's tint your beautiful eyebrows now. Friends, we just acted out a skit to make sure you're watching carefully. Now let's get back to your eyebrows. We will work with a special pencil, this way, from the nose a little to the side and up. We'll repeat the same with the other eyebrow. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Perfect! Here's something I can't really live without. A super lengthening waterproof mascara. What? But what's happening? Looks like I'm not the only one who likes it. Oh, no. Don't be so upset, please. Look, Barbie got everything back. Although she got a little messed up. Whoops! Do I have a magic paper napkin? Oh, that's right. Thankfully, that's only to our advantage. Now look straight ahead. Don't blink yet. Carefully. Now look up. I'll work on the lower eyelashes. Perfect! Oh, I also got a little dirty. No. Is that the magic napkin? Oh my! Friends, I need a minute to change everything back. Stay tuned. This is amazing. A dry napkin turned me into paper and a wet one returned me back. Well, we've only got… Oh, hold on a second. Wow, we are invited to a party. Only now your makeup is rather for a daytime. And for the evening, we can make it brighter. We'll draw arrows and your look will immediately become different. Next goes the eyeshadow. What color would you choose? Maybe this one? Wow! It magically changed its color! Look!
Huh?
What? Don't you like it? That is okay. We can easily remove this now. Huh? Oh, thank you, Barbie. Do you think this color would be better? Okay. Let's try it out. Oh, of course! This bright pink will look great! Oh, you're already so beautiful! Am I right, friends? Well, this is something you won't need at the party. Wait, I'll do your hair a little. You had better cover your eyes now. During the day, you can go to the store looking casually, of course. But with the makeup as chic as yours, your hair needs to be flawless. Here's a pair of matching earrings for you. Very beautiful. What? Do I smell good? Thank you. Well, I can definitely share my perfume with you. We just need to add a couple of tiny touches. The blush highlights the cheekbones. Oh, and the chin too. Well, the last thing for today is a shiny lip gloss. Check this out! This color is called Strawberry Cocktail. It works for everyone. Let's apply a thicker layer. It is water resistant, so you can drink on it as much as you like. And we are done now! You look amazing! Perfect for the runway or for the cover of a magazine. Actually, why not? Come on, say cheese! Friends, thank you for being with us today. And now it's time for our cool party. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ask your friends to subscribe too. I'll give a thumbs up to you, to myself for today's craft, and to you for your support. See you in our new episode. Bye-bye!
How good it is being on a vacation. I wonder if Susie manages there without me. Let's see. Sue gets more followers than Sam. Rename the channel Slick Sue. 1,000,000 likes Sue. This is outrageous. I've got to go back or I'll be completely forgotten. Whoosh! I'm Sam. Slick Slime Sam. Aha! Oh, wait! I forgot my donkey!
In this road. Follow me, I'll introduce you to Brutus at number 13.
Thanks. That barking sounds like it's coming from a big dog. Brutus sounds a bit too big to be the first dog I walk. Do you know of any smaller dogs that live nearby?
Come on, this way.
Okay.
Lola is very sweet and a lot smaller than Brutus.
Lola does sound a lot smaller, but she sounds a little bit too yappy. Are there any other dogs that live nearby?
I've got a feeling Mrs. Mallet's dog Bert will be just right for you.
Aha, Bert sounds perfect. Not too big and not too yappy. Thanks. I'll see if Mrs. Mallet wants me to take Bert for a walk today.
You're welcome. See you later. Have fun.
Thanks. Bye. Our dog walking adventures are about to begin.
Shh, Bert, shh. Yes?
Oh, hello, Mrs. Mallet. My name's Sid. I'm a dog walker, and I thought I'd ask you if you want me to walk Bert for you today.
Oh, yes, please.
Where would you like me to take him?
Well, he has an appointment today at the dog groomer's. He goes once a year whether he needs to or not. And today he needs to. It's his birthday, you see, and I have a very special surprise for him.
Oh.
And maybe you can take him to the park for a little walk on the way too.
Oh, hello, Bert. Yes, that would be fun. I'll look after him, won't I, Bert?
Oh, one other thing. Watch out for the squirrels. Bert loves squirrels, and when he sees them, boom, he's off chasing them. Aren't you, Bert?
Right, so I'll watch out for the squirrels. Okay, ready for walkies then, Bert? Okay, Bert's ready. See you later then, Mrs. Mallet.
Goodbye, Sid. Goodbye, Bert, and watch out for those squirrels.
Let's play.
Oh, it's great being a dog walker. Oh, what have you got there then, Bert? Oh, that a tree, is it? Nice. Oh, look at that, Bert. Can you see? It's a butterfly. What does a butterfly smell like, Bert? Perhaps buttery flies. Who knows? Oh. What have you got now then, Bert? Is that a perfumed pebble? You do love a good sniff, don't you? Oh, hey, what's that? Oh, is that a fragrant flower? Smells like it from here. Oh, Bert. Yes, Bert, it's a bee. And look, we're here at the park.
Let's play.
Go on, Bert, stretch your legs. I know you like the park. Bert, go on, have fun. What are you waiting for? Go on, run about. Bert, Mrs. Mully wants you to have fun in the park. I'm a dog walker, and my dog doesn't want to go for a walk. What am I going to do? Hold on, I remember, do you? Dog walkers carry a bag full of toys and treats. Maybe there's a toy or treat in this bag that I can use to convince Bert to run around somehow. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, Bert likes that. Come on then, Bert, let's play fetch. Come on. So, this is your favourite ball, is it, Bert? Well, then you'd better fetch. That's got Bert moving. That's it, Bert. Bring the ball back. Come on, Bert. Being a dog walker is loads of fun. Nothing could be simpler. Come on then, Bert. Bring the ball back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Squirrel. And Bert loves chasing squirrels. Bert, stay right where you are. It's just a little squirrel. Nothing to get excited about. Bert! Bert, the dog room is the other way. Bert! Bert! Oh, Bert! Bert, come back! Bert! Morning!
Lovely day for a run.
Come back, Bert! Morning!
Morning. Shouldn't it be you taking the dog for a run?
He seems to be taking me. It's no good. I've lost him. What am I going to tell Mrs. Mullet? She's going to be really upset. This is a disaster. Oh, hello again. You haven't seen Bert by any chance? Chasing a squirrel?
No, sorry. He does love those squirrels.
Oh, no. I'm a dog walker who's lost his dog. What am I going to tell Mrs. Mullet? How am I going to get him back?
It's a shame you haven't got one of those dog whistles.
That's given me an idea. Hold on. I remember. Do you? That's it. Dogs have amazing hearing. They can hear things us humans cannot hear. I just need to get Bert to hear me. Maybe there's something in this bag that can help. Oh, there's a whistle. I'll try that. It's not making any noise. Maybe it's broken.
That is a dog whistle. We can't hear it, but dogs can with their super hearing. You just need to blow it, and the dog should come. Best of luck.
Thanks. Oh, it's no good. It's hopeless. I've lost him. Ah, there you are, Bert. Oh, what a lovely dog. Where have you been? I've been really worried about you. Yes, I know it's fun chasing squirrels. Right. No more chasing squirrels for you. Let's go.
Who won?
Bert, by a nose.
He's always chasing squirrels, that bird.
Right, come on, Bert, we've got to get you to the dog groomers, otherwise we're going to be really late. Bert, why are you sitting like that? Oh, no, I think I better look the other way. Right, have you finished? Right, now I have to clear up after Bert to keep the park nice and clean. Oh, look, there's one of those dog bins that dog walkers put their doggies doing. Ah, only thing is, I've got to get that dog's business from down there to over there. Oh, hold on, I know what I can use, do you? That's what this is for. This bag isn't for shopping, it's for cleaning up Bert's business. Wish me luck. Here goes. Phew, and I've got another bag just in case we need it for on the way back. Right, come on, Bert, we're going to be so late. Well, Bert, what a day it's been. Ball fetching, squirrel chasing, doggy doo-dooing. Oh, what's wrong now? Oh, Bert, you're hot. And your tongue's sticking out. Are you feeling okay? What's wrong with Bert? Why is he slowed down? And why is he panting like that? I've got to get him to speed up so we can get to the dog groomers on time. But how do I get him to speed up? Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? When dogs get hot, they sometimes start panting to cool themselves down. This is a sign that they need a drink of water. Yes, Bert's got hot and thirsty after chasing around after that squirrel. Maybe I've got some water in this bag. Oh, I've got a water bottle, but I haven't got any water. Maybe they've got some in that cafe. Come on, Bert. Let's go and ask them.
Hello, can I help you?
Oh, nothing for me, thanks. It's just for Bert. Could I possibly have some water? He's really thirsty.
Yes, of course. Bert's a regular customer. He's always thirsty after chasing squirrels. There you go, Bert.
Thank you very much. He does like chasing those squirrels, doesn't he?
Aye, you should see him when he spots a duck.
Right, Bert, are you nearly finished? Brilliant. There we are. Come on then, Bert. We've got to dash. Thanks again.
Bye.
Let's play.
Oh, we made it just in time, Bert. Here is the dog groomers.
Ah, there you are, Bert. You've got it fine. Squirrels in the park again?
Oh, yes. Squirrels and balls and drinks. Yes, quite a bit. But we're really glad to be here now.
Well, come on in, Bert. We'll have you looking good in no time. Mrs. Mullet said it's a very special day, and she wants you looking your best.
See you in a bit then, Bert.
Let's play.
Wakey, wakey. Look, doesn't Bert look beautiful?
Well, Bert, you do scrub up well. He looks amazing. Thank you very much. See you.
Goodbye.
Well, we do look the party animal, Bert. We'll go this way, I think. It's a bit of a shorter route. Mrs. Mullet says she's got a special surprise for you when we get back. Yes, that's right. So we better keep you nice and smart, OK? So behave, please. What is it, Bert? You haven't seen that squirrel again, have you? Oh, yucks! A duck! Even worse. That's all we need, Bert. No, don't fall so hard, but Bert! No, Bert! Yeah! Bert, no, stop! Bert, stop falling so hard, Bert! Oh, Bert, wait, no, wait, Bert! Look out, watch out for the mighty puddle! No, Bert, no, Bert, wait, no!
Let's play.
Right, made it. Home at last. Oh, and very, very messy. Look at the state of you, Bert. What is Mrs. M going to say? Oh, there's only one way to find out. Here goes. Oh, I could just tidy up a little bit at least.
Oh, Sid. Bert?
Yes, all well, groomed?
So I see.
It was clean and tidy, but then we got a little bit distracted on the way home.
Oh, well, at least you were clean, Bert. Oh, you're still my handsome fella. Thanks, Sid. And happy birthday, Bert. I have a special birthday surprise for you. Brutus and Lola have come to visit. Let's get this party started.
Happy birthday, Bert. Thanks, Mrs. Mullet.
And thank you, Sid. You can walk Bert any time you want to.
Oh, thanks. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Dog walkers usually carry a bag containing dog toys and treats. Dogs have amazing hearing compared to humans. And if a dog gets hot, it sometimes starts panting to cool down. This is a sign that it needs a drink of water.
Would you like to come in and join us for the party?
Oh, no, thank you, Mrs. M. I think it's time we went home. Bye.
Oh, goodbye.
Let's play.
Rebecca, being a dog walker was great fun. I had to walk this dog called Bert. Oh, Bert loved chasing squirrels and playing fetch. I'm going to miss Bert. Oh, but I did get a leaf from his fur to remember him by. How's your book coming along?
It's brilliant. I've nearly finished, but I really fancy going out and stretching my legs.
Great idea. Come on, let's go.
But if I close my book, I lose my place.
Use the leaf.
Oh, great idea. Thanks, Sid.
Playing dog walkers was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
Two fairies is fun, and they fly around like this. I like playing pad, and then I like walking really slowly. I love playing surfers and surfing to waves like this.